Okay, so for this example, we want to find the limit as x approaches -2 of the function 3x squared plus 2x minus 8 divided by x plus 2. And the first thing you'll notice here is that you cannot directly substitute -2 into the function because you'd be dividing by 0. So we have to do some sort of algebraic manipulation for this problem. So let's go through first and rewrite this as the limit as x approaches -2, and that's factor. So most of these problems you can factor just by guessing and checking and looking at the form of the problem. And you'll notice here that since there's an x plus 2 and we want to find this limit algebraically, there's going to be another x plus 2 factor in our numerator for this to go any further in our process. So we're going to put x plus 2 up here as the best guess. And then the only way to get 3x squared would be to have a 3x leading. And the only way to get a minus 8 back there would have a minus 4. As a quick check, we get 3x squared plus 6x minus 4x does make plus 2x, and then -4 times 2 does make -8. So now we can go through and we can cancel out our removable discontinuity, and that's going to give us the limit as x approaches -2 of 3x minus 4. And we can now find this limit by direct substitution. So that's going to be equal to 3 times -2 minus 4, which of course is just equal to a -10. All right, so our limit is -10 as we approach -2 for this function.